So you're worried about the future, and who wouldn't be? With all the chaos and uncertainty surrounding us, it's only natural to want to safeguard your wealth, at least a portion of it. After all, the haunting memories of the 2008 financial crisis still linger, and the fear of experiencing similar losses is all too real. That's why more and more people are turning to alternative assets like gold. They're looking for ways to invest in this precious metal that has captured our imaginations for centuries. For some interesting reasons you may not expect, and one avenue they explore is a gold-backed IRA. Now, the concept of a gold-backed IRA has been around for quite some time, but surprisingly, it's still not widely understood. So let me show you some of the magic that makes it possible. But to explain, here's the thing. A gold-backed IRA can actually serve as a powerful tool to protect and preserve your wealth, especially during times of economic downturn and financial crisis. And the best part is, starting a gold-backed IRA is easier than you might think. However, if you're not already familiar with how it works, you're probably wondering what it looks like to get started. So let's delve into the advantages that a gold IRA brings to the table. Are you sitting down? Because there are 4 benefits worth paying attention to. First off, gold is synonymous with wealth. It has been a timeless appeal and has always been considered a store of value. Just think about the legendary gold vaults at Fort Knox, Scrooge McDuck's money bin, or the mythical city of El Dorado. When people think of gold, they usually think of riches and abundance. Even central banks recognize its worth and have been increasing their gold reserves at the fastest rate since 1950. While you may not have the deep pockets of a central bank, a gold-backed IRA can still play a crucial role in preserving the value of your assets. But that's not even the best part, as we get into number 3. Gold has a long-standing reputation as a safe haven asset. For centuries, it has weathered economic and political storms, maintaining its value when other investments falter. And as uncertainty continues to loom, gold has regained popularity as a safe haven. And a Gallup poll shows that the percentage of Americans who name gold as the best long-term investment option has nearly doubled from 15% in 2022 to 26% in 2023. But this isn't old money, and it's not out of style because the demand for gold coins and bars has risen by 5% year over year, proving the growing interest in protecting wealth against an unpredictable future. And that leads us into number 1. Because gold has a unique advantage in portfolio diversification. While many people think diversification is achieved by investing in various stocks and bonds, the reality is that relying solely on stocks and bonds can be a bad idea because that means it's all tied to the stock market, which can focus all your risk on the overall health of the economy. Gold, on the other hand, has a track record of performing well during economic downturns. It can change the risk profile of your portfolio and shield you from losses in the event of a recession or financial crisis. Now that you understand the potential benefits of a gold-backed IRA, you might be wondering how to get started, because it surely must be complicated, right? But fret not, because there's a solution at hand. You see, there is a way to transfer funds from a 401k to a gold-backed IRA, effectively bypassing the usual contribution limits. So if you're not satisfied with your current 401k situation, a rollover to a gold IRA could be the answer you've been seeking. And guess what? There are no limits. You can transfer as much as you desire, whether it's $100,000, $500,000, or even $1 million or more. Just keep in mind that the IRS has certain rules and regulations to follow, so it's important to ensure compliance before executing this financial maneuver. Ready to take action? Let's talk about the process. Now, setting up a gold IRA may seem a little tricky at first, but don't worry. That's where companies like Goldco come in to help. Their team of specialists will guide you through every step of the way, making the process much easier for you. They'll handle all the paperwork and ensure that you have access to IRS-approved precious metals. With their help, what may have seemed overwhelming becomes totally doable. Now let's discuss the risks of not taking action. During times of inflation, there are real dangers to your hard-earned savings. Just think about what happened during the 2008 financial crisis. Many people experienced significant losses that had a lasting impact on their lives. That's why it's crucial to take steps to safeguard your retirement savings now, before something like that happens again. And a Gold IRA can be a powerful tool in protecting your wealth. And by diversifying your portfolio with physical gold, it can possibly shield yourself from the potential consequences of a market downturn or devalued currency. Gold has a long history of being a safe haven asset, and its value has withstood the test of time during economic uncertainties. But don't wait until it's too late. The time to act is now. By clicking the link in the description, you can get all the details we've discussed here. Plus, you'll learn how you could even get an extra $10,000 or more in free silver from Goldco. Because when you click the link in the description, they'll send you a free wealth protection kit delivered straight to your door by FedEx, and they'll even pay the shipping and handling charges. Plus, Goldco has a stellar reputation with over $2 billion in precious metals placements and top ratings from the Better Business Bureau, so you can relax knowing you're working with true professionals. After all, they're respected for a reason. Remember, the risks of not taking action are real. Your retirement savings could be exposed to the potential dangers of a market crash, higher inflation, or a devalued currency. That's why it's your duty to take advantage of every resource at your disposal. Don't let your hard-earned savings be vulnerable. Request your free kit today and discover how you can secure your wealth and even receive up to $10,000 or more in free silver. Click the link below right now.